page got 300,000 followers. Death of my father. I married Filipina. So I started the page Bisaya ni Yuki to be successful. Now 300,000 followers. Salamat kayo. Osaka, Japan, Dohaka, Japan.
What is that?
By the way, this character is Yawa-chan. Face is Yawa. Okay, let's start. Number of followers of my page got 300,000 followers. Finally, yeah. 300,000 followers is like, I'll show you guys. Like this. This is like 300,000 people. So my followers is like that. A lot of followers. I'm so honored. And most of followers are Filipino. I'm feeling like dreaming. This time there are many new followers. Let me introduce myself. Birthday. My birthday is August 4th. In 1986, so I'm 8, not 8. Yawa! I'm 38 years old, not 88. Piccolo. I'm born in Japan, between Japanese parents. So I'm Japanese, genuine Japanese. Nagpuyo ko sa Osaka, Japan. Osaka is the central prefecture of Japan. Like Cebu. Kalimut ko mag-Bisaya. Niadto ko sa Cebu, og Bohol, og Cagayan de Oro, og Bukidnon, og Davao. Dili kakanta og Binisaya Lotsiyuki para mag-trending ka. Gagaw na managanta. Summoning Iro is my favorite Bisayan song. My favorite Filipino food is pancit canton. Lamijud kayo ang pancit canton. By the way, my wife is Filipina, taga Bohol, Bisaya. Nagpuyo misa Osaka. My height is 173 centimeters. I'm average Japanese. Nai lechon baboy, dihabos. Pish! Puki! Osaka, Japan, Dohaka, Japan, si Puki ni! Because my akong paborito kay PHK nahimong bilat akong nawon. Pistin yawa oy. My name is not Puki. Yuki. Y-U-K-I. Yuki. That's important. Why I speak Bisaya heavy story. Dreaming to be a system engineer. When I was small, I started to dream to be a system engineer. I want to be a system engineer. When I was gaming, I was playing Game Boy, and there was stuff roll after the ending. And I found something, programmer, someone. So I noticed programmer can make a game. But I was thinking more, not only game. I want to create anything using my skill. So I became an engineer. So I started to dream to be an engineer. And 2 years later, I joined PC club, personal computer club. My classmates were just playing PC game, but I was changing the source code, I mean programming code, to change the parameter of the game. I was loving to customizing the PC program. And the second thing is death of my father. It was 16 years old. Suddenly he passed away. It occurred suddenly. My family was not rich, actually poor, so I needed to work for our finance. But it was lucky I found a job offer for system engineer. It was second high school. I started my part-time job, part-time system engineer. So I experienced a lot of engineering. It was third high school. It was the year for my career to go to university or to work. But I chose to work. In Japan, it's normal to go to university. I found a job offer to be system engineer. A company invited me to be a system engineer already. I was 18 years old, so I went at home and I lived alone in Tokyo. Like from Cebu or Bohol, went along to Manila, like that. The company was doing a good business, earning a lot of money, earning lots of sales. President or board members are still young, like 30 years old. They were so energetic. So I got the flame in heart to be successful. Like, I want to be successful like them. I was burning my heart seeing them. It was death of my father, but that event made me energetic. I think that's luck. And the third one, death of my brother, actually younger brother. When I was 27 years old, it was 2014. We had 4 years difference, so he was 23 years old. He got married in Christmas season, like this season, but 4 years later, he dies. It was so sad that he suddenly went away. There are 4 family members, me, mother, father, and my younger brother, but the number of members went to the half, me and my mother. My mother got shocked so much, so she was going to rest bar to feel her heart. She can talk to others every night using money. That's from insurance. We got huge insurance money. She was going to dining bar. And it was good because she's not lonely. And sometimes I join. The rest bar is Korean dining bar. And a day, this Korean owner invited to South Korea. We went to South Korea for 2 reasons. It was the first time to foreign country for me. And I got the standard boat. Like, Koreans are good at English. They study a lot. Mag-Historias sila, mag-Ingles. They are very good. I was so shocked because Japanese are not good at speaking English. I was afraid. Japan lose other countries. We have to study English more to be more global. So I decided to study English. That story connects to my wife. So I started to study English. And my teacher was online. And it didn't take long time to be relationship. It was May and I went to the Philippines after 3 months. It was August. And we married after 5 times of date. Just after 1 year of our first meeting. And we went wedding in the Philippines in Tagbilaran City sa Bohol. And there are many Filipino cousins, like 200 people. And actually, I just copied the phrase of Bisaya.
Mga hapon, salamat sa inyong pagtamon sa among kasal.
Like that. I couldn't speak Bisaya at the time. Guests were like,
Bisaya.
I spoke in Bisaya and many guests were like, got shocked with my speaking in Bisaya. It was so ecstasy for me for the reaction. Lamikayo silang reaction. Ecstasy. So I decided to study Bisaya. That's the reason why I speak Bisaya. I was feeling ecstasy. In my wedding, I decided to speak Bisaya, so I want to be successful to Bisayan people. So I started the page Bisaya ni Yuki to be successful. So it was 2019, 5 years ago, and now 300,000 followers. Salamat kayo, salamat kayo. I think I'm so lucky person. 2 people died, my father and my younger brother, but the 2 deaths made the opportunity. That's why I'm talking to you guys. That wasn't bad. Actually, that's sad, but I'm happy. So, doing Bisaya ni Yuki is reaching to my dream to help people. Naay daghang mga poor people. Intelligent children, but they are poor. They needed to be more educated. Or intelligent workers, but who doesn't have opportunity to work, like opening business in the Philippines. It's like helpful for people because I can make job opportunity in the Philippines. So I can hire people. Let's have a business with me and selling things to Japan. So Japanese people will be more happier with good products or services. This is my dream. I'm sorry, it was so heavy, but I wanted to explain. Next target is 1 million followers, but for now, to get 500,000 followers. Okay, that's it. I hope you guys feel good to know about Yuki. Salamat sa pagdaon sa akong live. See you next time. That's it. Bye-bye. Thank you.